years. Always a popular body style at Unique, especially in classics. 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle 2-door hardtop. And just so you're aware, this is an SS Tribute 136 VIN car. You're going to see some 396 and some SS badging on it. Underneath the hood, small block Chevy Power 350 V8, paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes. Let's take a look at the bright work up front. Headlights, surrounds, grille. That's in nice shape. Original FF paint code, so Marina Blue. 728 trim, blue interior, so still looking similar to what it looked back in 1966. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, the interior, the engine bay, trunk, all at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Steel wheels. Of course, Chevrolet Motor Division center caps and beauty rings, BF Goodrich radials. Let's take a look down the passenger side of this car. You can see panels nice and straight. Paint does show well. Blue bucket vinyl seat, center console. I also left this glove box open. When we get around to the driver's side, I'm going to show you. It has a Holley EFI system on it, an aftermarket stereo in there. So I wanted to leave that open just for this video. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood. Jason will also take it for a drive so you can see how this one goes down the road. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, dual exhaust does have Flowmasters on it. You'll be able to see that from the underside pics. Newer rear suspension components too, you're going to notice in the still pics. And once again, those can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like Chevelles, maybe you like the late 60 muscle cars in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when they're uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, either online or right off our showroom floor if you make it to see us in person. You can see up and down the driver's side, no major nicks, dings, or scratches. You can see a little bit of, what I would call it, just a little bit of kind of pimples in the clear there a little bit. Nothing major. This car is going to turn heads the way it sounds and the way it looks. Let's check out that interior a little closer. Seat belts intact front and rear. See that? Get a good look at the door panels. I have not noticed any major rips, tears, or holes in the seats. Headliner looking good. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. There is kind of an old school tack underneath the dash down here. That is working. Alright, there's that Sony stereo system, Holley EFI controller. So we have great throttle response on this car. And as you can hear, it sounds good too. Door closes, fits nicely. Oh, listen to this. Little rumble coming out of there. You'd almost swear it is a big block. Like I said, it'll turn some heads the way it looks and the way it sounds. Let me pause this a second. I want to get this hood open so we can check out the engine bay. And like I said, stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Underside of the hood, nice and clean and tidy also. There it is, that 350 small block. EFI system. Power steering, power brakes. We got wind intake manifold. Headers, nice setup. Smooth runner, sounds good and looks good underneath there. And a great body style, 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle. Two-door hardtop and an SS Tribute. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle in a brilliant blue metallic color. In the glove box, a Sony aftermarket CD player and the Holley EFI controller. This car has a very sweet exhaust sound. Another one of those that makes you want to just feather the throttle to hear it. Strong running car, very responsive throttle, and like I said, it sounds great. Factory horn is working, the wipers also work on this car. Our fuel gauge is reading a quarter of a tank, the battery gauge is right in the middle. The temperature gauge is about a quarter of the way up, and the oil pressure is a little over 3/4. All of that looking really good. This is an automatic on the center console. Nice storage center console, looking original with a clock, and the minute hand and the second hand are moving on that clock. Underneath the dash, a tachometer that looks era correct, and that is working as well. Great looking carpet, door panels, headliner. Brakes feel good. This car doesn't lean too much in the corners, which you want it to stay nice and flat. And this corners as it should. Great car, fun car to drive. Such a brilliant blue. Take a look at all the pictures and see this car up close and personal at UniqueClassicCars.com.